Hello guys, in this video I am going to discuss on calculation of seed requirement. In agronomic course, students are usually asked to find the seed rate or seed requirement for 1 acre or 1 hectare of land by giving certain factors or values. And also, farmers also need to know what is the seed rate at the initial state of crop production. Let's see how to calculate the seed rate step by step. This is AgriStarG. Seed rate or seed requirement is the quantity of seed of a crop that is required to sown in a unit area of land. It is important to have optimum plant population and to avoid wastage of seed and decrease the initial cost of production for the farmers and to have quality of production. And this seed rate or seed requirement also depends on so many factors like whether it is directly planted or the broadcasting method, number of seeds per hill or number of seedlings per hill, purity percentage, weight of the seeds and germination percentage. All these factors has to be kept in mind while calculating the seed rate. Let's see how to calculate it. To calculate the seed rate, the following steps are needed. Here first step is seed rate kg per hectare is equals to area into individual seed weight divided by spacing into 1000 into 1000. Here the area should be in meter square and individual seed weight should be in grams and spacing should be in meters. If the seed weight is given in micrograms, please do convert them in grams to use this formula. And also, if the area is given in 1 acre or 1 hectare, please do use conversion and convert them into meter square to apply in this formula. If in the problem, if they given only area, individual seed weight and spacing, we can go for this formula first step only. If they also given the germination percentage, then we need to go for second step. Seed rate after correction for germination is seed rate in kg per hectare, which is calculated in the first step divided by germination into 100. Here the germination should be used the value in the percentage itself. And if the problem they also mentioned the risk factor, then we need to go for the third step. Here seed rate after allowance for risk is seed rate after correction, which is calculated in the second step, plus seed rate after correction into risk allowance divided by 100. Here the risk allowance also should be in the percentage itself for easy calculation. So this is the formulas at each and every stage for the calculation of the seed rate. If there is more than one seedling per hill, then the plant population has to be multiplied by the number of seedlings per hill. After calculating entire seed rate, we can directly multiply into whether it is 2 seedlings per hill or 3 seedlings per hill into 3 or 2, we can directly substitute. And if the seed rate calculation, if they given in the problem the genetic purity, so this is the formula where the seed rate per kg per hectare is equals to its area to be sown in meter square into seed test weight in grams into 100 divided by germination percentage into genetic purity percentage into spacing in meter into 1000 into 1000. So based on the data it's available with us, we need to go for the certain formula. Let's see one of the problem. Here the problem is like this. Rice variety IR64 is to be transplanted at a spacing of 20 into 15 centimeter using 3 seedlings per hill. The seed has a germination percentage of 90% and risk factor of 20%. Test weight is 20 grams to and find out the seed rate for the nursery. Here the rice is sowing in the transplanting method and the spacing is given in centimeter, so we need to convert in meter, and they has given 3 seedlings per the hill, and they also given the germination percentage and risk factor. So we need to go for the steps, different kind of steps which I has already shown in the previous slides. Let's see. First step, seed weight in kg per hectare is equals to area into individual seed weight in grams into spacing meter square into 1000 into 1000. Seed rate kg per hectare is equals to 10,000. It's here they didn't given in the problem whether it's for 1 hectare or 1 acre, but here I am taking in 1 hectare, which is 1000 meters. 10,000, sorry. Seed rate kg per hectare is equals to, here I am calculating for 1 hectare, so its area is 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meters square. So 10,000 into individual seed weight is 20 into 3 divided by 0.2 into 0.15 into 1000 into 1000. Here into 3 is the number of seedling per hill. I am calculating here directly. If you want, after calculating entire problem, you can multiply it with 3, which is 20 kg per hectare. Here second step, seed rate after correction for germination is equals to seed rate in kg per hectare, which is calculated in the first step, divided by germination percentage into 100, which is 20 divided by, here the germination percentage is 90 into 100, which gives 22.2 kg per hectare. And in the problem they are also given the risk factor, where the formula is seed rate after correction plus seed rate after correction into risk factor divided by 100, which is here the seed rate kg per hectare after risk allowance is equals to 22.2 plus 22.2 into 20 divided by 100, which is 26.6 kg per hectare. So this is the seed requirement for the for going for the cultivation of the rice nursery. In this way, we need to calculate the seed rate or seed requirement based on the data it's available with us. And also in some problems, the question will be given like let's assume the values of your own. So we need to assume some of the values like germination percentage and risk factor or genetic purity percentage. So it's assume your values in 90 or 80 percentage and go for this calculation method step by step. If you have any doubts or need videos on any other agriculture related topics, please do comment and subscribe the channel, like the video. Thank you guys. Until then, this is AgriStarch.